So today topic is modify solid editing. Okay, solid editing. So how to create? Suppose here go to isometric view. Go to isometric view, then draw here. Suppose create one box. Suppose click here, click here, and this one. Okay, so previous day I already taught this UCS, user coordinate system. Okay, so now how to change this face UCS? Just go to here, and this one is face UCS. Okay, so just click it here, then enter. So now this one is XY surface created here. Then here suppose select first create a cylinder. Okay, so now this one is a create a cylinder. Then here, so these two are intersect to each other. Just shift and scroll and rotate it. Just confirm it. This one is intersect to each other. Then you can select modify here solid editing union. So suppose select this one and select that one and right click. So that is union. Okay. So that is union. Next undo it. Next is suppose modify here solid editing subtract. Bigger one right click, smaller one right click. So now this one is subtract. Okay. So just here go to shaded view. So now this one is subtract. Okay. Then undo it. Then modify also solid editing here intersect. Intersect, just click it here and click here and right click. So now this one is intersect. Okay. So now this one is intersect. Okay. So next is undo. So modify here, this one is solid editing. Okay. So now undo it also. So that is undo. Okay. Next go to modify here solid editing here fillet edge. Fillet edge means that is 3D fillet edge. So just click it here and suppose give radius. By default radius is 1. Okay. You can change as per the requirement, suppose 50 here. So now this one is 50. Now this command is not completed right now. Okay. So just here enter or always or enter. Okay. So now this one is completed. Okay. Because there have no command in the command line. Okay. So next is undo. Next modify here solid editing, then chamfer edge. Chamfer edge, just select this one here distance, then chamfer distance. Suppose give it here 30, enter, give it here 20, enter. Okay, and then enter also. Okay, also enter. So now this is the chamfer. Okay, next modify here color edge. Okay, color edge, suppose click it here, right click, enter. So now this one is color. Okay, so that is color edge and enter it, enter. Until this one is type a command is coming, you just enter it. Okay, next undo. Also modify here copy edge. Okay, copy edge, same procedure, just select here, right click, enter, and select specify base point. So this is the base point and this is the another point. So now this one is copy, enter, enter. Okay, so that is copy edge. Next here extrude face, just select this surface, enter, and specify height of extrusion. So that is height of extrusion here, suppose 300, enter. And if you choose suppose taper angle, so suppose here 5, enter. So now this one is 5-degree taper. Also enter it, enter. So now this one is 5-degree taper. Okay, undo it. Then also modify here move face. Suppose select any face, right click, enter, and select the base point and select the second point. So now this one is move. Okay, so now this one is move. So that is move face created here. Okay, then undo it. Also modify here offset face. Just select this face, right click, enter, and suppose specify offset distance. Suppose give distance here 200, enter. So now this one is 200 up to offset. Okay, so now this one is 200 up to offset. If it is suppose here create line, this type of line. Okay, suppose this one, and then extrude it. Okay, then extrude it. Okay, then modify here solid editing, delete face. ঠিক আছে, delete. Suppose no solid detected here, suppose click here and right click, enter. So now this one is delete only face. Okay, delete only face here. This one is nothing change here in the solid. Okay, so that is called delete face. This one is delete face. Suppose delete select this surface, select this face and remove it. Okay, remove face. Suppose select this one, right click, enter. Okay, then enter, enter. Okay, and you can see it here shaded. So this one is face is deleted. If it is suppose in another color, so now this one is exactly visible. Okay, next this one is rotate face. Suppose select this face and right click, enter, and select this one and select that one. Suppose give it here 45. So now this one is 45-degree angle created here. Okay, undo it. Then also modify here suppose taper face. Okay, suppose select this face, right click, enter, and select this point and select that point. Okay, so suppose here 45, enter. So now this one is 45-degree taper portion created here. Okay, just see it here. Okay, taper portion created here. Okay, next modify here color face. Okay, color face. Suppose select this one, right click, enter. So now this one is red color showing here. Okay, so that is enter, enter. So now this one is color face created here. Okay, and suppose modify solid editing copy face. Okay, suppose select this one, right click, enter, and select this point and select that point. So now this one is copy up to that. Okay, so only face is copy here. Okay, so that is copy face created here. Okay, so now this is total modify solid editing. Okay, solid editing. Also you can see it here, surface editing, 3 features are there. Okay, how to create surface editing? Create another page, then go to here isometric. Previous day I taught surface, so create one plane here and create one circle here. Okay, create one circle here, then go to the modify here surface editing and trim it. Suppose select this one, right click, enter, and select this circle, then right click and select inside of the circle or outside of the circle. Suppose inside. So now this one is trim, then enter. Okay, so that is surface editing. Next, untrim. Just select this circle, right click, enter. So now this one is untrim. Also modify here surface editing, extend. Suppose select this one, right click. So now this one is surface editing. Okay, suppose give it here 250. So now 250 up to that, this one is extend. Okay, so that is called surface editing. Okay, so all of you practice this one up to that.